And radio, they're tracking the car to South Gordon and hold on, stand by. Check the area, South Gordon and Westmeath.
The area in the top of that location?
It's right there. I'm gonna go look.
I want to go ahead. You're up, look around Mogul Street and Evans Street. I got the car, Peoples and RDA.
Yeah, information of GSP radio.
Go.
You cut off on people.
Give me the air. People's northbound towards Oak Street. GSP is behind him. GSP pit. Show me your fucking hands. Get the fuck out the car. Open the fucking door. Open the fucking door.
So you're trying to kill us? You're trying to kill us? Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill us! Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill me! Why would y'all do that, man?
Get up.
Please don't go. Don't beat me up, man. Listen, don't get on that. Y'all trying to kill me. Don't fight me, man.
Get on the ground.
Don't fight me. Stop, don't fight me. He don't stop me to fight me. He don't stop me to fight me. Please. He don't please stop. Put your hands down! Please, get out of your hands! I didn't have it. Actually, he ran into us. He hit us. That's messed up. He hit us. He's trying to kill us. He hit us. That's messed up. Oh, please not miss having me.
Everyone, thanks for your GSP. Appreciate you coming over also. Over you.
He hit us. That's messed up.
4144 radio is done.
She right there. She right. She. Come here. I can show you where she's at. I can show you. Please. Yes.
Okay, you did good.
No.
You did a good job. Man.
No.
You did a good job.
Excuse me.
You okay?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna take you to your mom. You okay?
My mom called you?
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
She did.
Excuse me.